Introducing the world's smallest spectrum analyzer. The first handheld microwave analysis tool designed for the real world. With full range coverage and industry-leading noise floor, there is simply no other device with a similar functionality, form factor, and price combined. Spectrum Compact has an intuitive, easy-to-use graphic interface, and the custom PC software allows you to access full data logging of all Spectrum scans with enhanced data processing. It's the go-to solution for quick and easy site surveys, antenna alignment, 5G network deployment, interference detection, radio troubleshooting and verification, indoor signal strength mapping, channel occupancy verification, continuous site monitoring, and more. From the ground level or remotely, with the weight of less than 600 grams or about 20 ounces, Spectrum Compact fits in your hand or on a drone. Mobile operators, national frequency regulatory authorities, military and public safety sectors, wireless internet service providers all across the globe choose Spectrum Compact as their trusted companion. SAF Spectrum Compact, a game changer in the microwave spectrum world.